and I'm a part of the Wholey team here. And today we are going to profile our house-made crab cakes. We sell it in our grab and go section. You get a 4-pack. They're made with all real crab, no filler. Very easy preparation methods. You can take it home, preheat your oven to 425 degrees and bake them for 15 minutes. Or you can give them a pan sear, which is my favorite way to do, and which we're gonna do today, in some oil. You take the crab cake, and it's in a ball because we form it in a scoop. Just pat it down into a nice patty, like this. Oops. And then we're gonna get some oil hot. Again, we highly recommend the Wholey Gold Oil. We're gonna get about a quarter of a cup hot in a pan. Get the oil up to like 350 degrees. So about a quarter to a half cup, I'd say. So I laid these crab cakes nice and flat in this hot oil. The oil got up to the perfect temperature. Like, you'll see it start to, I call it shimmering. And that's when you know the oil is hot enough to pan fry. So we got these crab cakes in the hot oil for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna get ready to flip them. Nice and easy. Look at that golden brown. 2 minutes on each side. All you want to do is get a nice crust on it. The crab meat, side note, is already cooked, so you want the temperature to be about 135 degrees in the middle, but that'll be no problem. 2 minutes on each side. But this crispy crust on the outside is my favorite. So these are done. 2 minutes on each side. Get some hot Wholey Gold Oil. And served, my favorite is with our Wholey brand Romulid sauce, which is delicious. Or some people like the cocktail. So there you have it. From the store to your house, this dinner can be prepared in under 10 minutes.